Hello and welcome back to Chatterbox English. I'm Elena.
And I'm Pavel. Today we're entering the modern digital jungle. We're going to learn how to call tech support or explain an internet problem in English. It's a situation that can test anyone's patience.
It really can. But with the right phrases, you can be the calm, clear customer who gets the problem solved quickly. So, Pavel, imagine your home Wi Fi suddenly stops working. You've tried the basics. What's your first step?
I'd probably call my internet provider's help desk, but I get nervous explaining technical things. How do I even start the call?
Start by clearly stating your problem, not the cause. You don't need to diagnose it. Just say, "Hello, I'm having problems with my internet connection. My Wi Fi is down." Or, "Hi, I need to report an issue with my broadband service."
Hello, I'm having problems with my internet connection. Okay. Then they'll ask for my account details.
Exactly. They'll usually say, "Can I take your account number or phone number, please?" Have it ready. Then they'll ask you to describe the problem in more detail.
What should I say? It's just not working?
Be more specific. When did it start? What exactly happens? For example, the connection dropped about an hour ago. All my devices show they're connected to the network, but there's no actual internet access. Or, the Wi Fi signal is very weak and keeps dropping in certain rooms.
Good. So describe the symptoms. They'll probably ask me to do some basic troubleshooting.
They will, step by step. Be ready to follow simple instructions. They might say, "First, could you please unplug your router from the power, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in?" That's called rebooting or restarting the router.
Unplug the router, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Got it. What if I don't know what a router is?
That's okay to ask. You can say, "I'm sorry, could you clarify? Do you mean the main box with the blinking lights?" They are used to explaining. After you try their steps, they'll ask, "Has that fixed the issue? Are the lights on the router solid now?"
And if it doesn't work?
Then they might check for outages or schedule a technician. They could say, "I can see there's a network issue in your area. Our engineers are working on it. It should be resolved within 2 hours." Or, "We'll need to send a technician. Is Wednesday afternoon convenient for you?"
Let's do a practice call. You be the support agent. My Wi-Fi is down.
All right. Bring! Thank you for calling Net Connect Support. This is Sam speaking. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm having problems with my internet connection. My Wi-Fi isn't working.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let me pull up your account. Can I have your account number or the phone number associated with your service?
Yes, it's 07700900123.
Thank you, Mr. Sokolov. Can you tell me what's happening? Are the lights on your router on or flashing?
The power light is on, but the internet light is red and not blinking.
I see. Let's try a simple restart first. Can you unplug the power cable from the back of the router, wait 30 seconds, and plug it firmly back in? I'll wait on the line.
Pauses as if waiting. Okay, I've done that. The lights are now cycling and the internet light is solid green.
Excellent. Has the connection been restored on your devices?
Pauses as if checking. Yes, it seems to be working now. Thank you.
Perfect, Pavel. You were clear, followed instructions, and confirmed the result. Now, a different scenario. You're in a cafe and the public Wi-Fi requires a login. You can't get the portal page to open on your laptop.
I'd ask a staff member, how do I explain that? The internet isn't working is too vague.
Right. Be specific about the step where it fails. Say, "Excuse me, I'm trying to connect to your guest Wi-Fi. I can see the network, but the login page isn't popping up on my laptop. Is there a special website I need to visit?"
The login page isn't popping up.
That's a clear technical sounding description of the symptom, much more helpful.
Exactly. So the golden rules are 1. Start with a clear statement of the main problem. 2. Describe symptoms, not causes. 3. Don't be afraid to ask for clarification of technical terms. 4. Repeat instructions back to confirm. 5. Report the result clearly. It's working now, or the problem is still there.
This takes the panic out of the situation. It's just a structured conversation to solve a puzzle.
That's the best way to think about it. You're providing information so they can help you. With these phrases, you'll be back online in no time.
Thanks, Elena. I feel ready to troubleshoot confidently.
Wonderful. Happy browsing, and thank you for learning with us.
We'll see you with a strong internet connection in the next episode of Chatterbox English.